Hi, Eric.
How's everybody doing?
All clean. All clean.
All clean? I like that. What time is it over there?
Um, 10:55.
10:55. And you're in the UK, right?
Yeah.
Obviously. Yep. Okay, refretting. This is the chapter that everybody wants. This is the course that this is what everybody wants to do. They want to buy a guitar with beat up frets and they want to be able to take the frets out and make it brand new and sell it for a ton of money and stuff like that. Or they want to be able to it's mostly just, taking guitars that are really beat up and refretting them and making them brand new and everything. So today we'll go over refretting tools and techniques, when to do a fret job, the anatomy of a fret, types of fret jobs, safety considerations. Safety is a huge consideration of doing fret jobs. Fret wire types, tools, ordering replacement fret wire, and the workflow of a fret job. Specialized tools for removing frets. You want to get precise fret pulling pliers. It is important that they have the tips on them that are really sharp and precise. Don't try to do this with anything else. These are definitely essential. You need those to get through, to get underneath the frets. I like to remove frets with a soldering tip fret heater, and I have a link to that in the tools. I just turn my soldering iron on. I think that's a great little tool to kind of loosen up the frets and get the glue all hot so you can remove them really easy. It works great. It makes chipping less likely, but it is a lot of heat and it can scorch a maple fretboard. So whenever you use like a soldering tip on a maple fretboard, make sure you protect the bejesus out of it because it'll definitely just burn it. And remove one. I'll show you guys what that's like. These are the precision fret pullers right here. They have the very sharp ends right there. Very much different than this. That right there, if you try to pull a fret with that, not going to do a very good job because they're big and they're blunt and they got a huge wedge kind of in there. But this, much better. So this is the way to
Hey,
go. So just right, I'm just going to pull one. I don't think they're going to be hard to pull. Like that. That's the tip right there. Got a little V on it. Got to be careful because like these frets aren't that tall. So if I put the whole V on it, the bottom of that's going to touch the fretboard. So I'm going to be a little careful with that and keep it where I know it's off the fretboard. Sometimes this fret here is not necessary. So I'm going to get you. You're going to take a corner of your pliers and you're going to grab a corner of the fret just like that. You're going to pop it up, and that was easy. And what you want to do is you can just move your pliers like this. You just kind of want to inch them. If you have your tape on your fretboard, then that helps keep it from splintering. It helps a lot keep it from splintering. When you get towards pulling the ends, sometimes the ends will want to like splinter as well. dust, and then we'll make like a little patch. The thin super glue will just melt into the dust, and it'll make a little, a little patch there, and then you sand it, and it looks great. It looks fine, actually.